Do you want to sound smarter, more confident, and impressive while speaking English? Today, I'll share 50 common words that you can replace with powerful and enhanced alternatives. These words will instantly level up your English, and the best part, you can start using them today. So, let's dive in, and remember, each word is simple, but the replacement makes you sound like a pro. I will talk slowly and clearly. Now I suggest you to write down the words. Also, I have pasted the image of 10 words after every 10 words so that it will be easy for you to write it down. So let's begin. 1. Try with attempt, endeavor, strive. 2. Help with assist, support, aid. 3. Show with demonstrate, exhibit, present. 4. Good with excellent, superb, outstanding. 5. Bad with awful, dreadful, terrible. 6. Big with huge, enormous, massive. 7. Small with tiny, petite, minute. 8. Start with begin, commence, initiate. 9. End with finish, conclude, terminate. 10. Happy with joyful, cheerful, delighted. Here is the image of these 10 words. You can also take a screenshot. 11. Sad with unhappy, sorrowful, miserable. 12. Easy with simple, effortless, straightforward. 13. Hard with difficult, challenging, tough. 14. Fast with quick, rapid, swift. 15. Slow with sluggish, leisurely, unhurried. 16. Smart with intelligent, clever, bright. 17. Stupid with foolish, idiotic, dim-witted. 18. Tired with exhausted, fatigued, weary. 19. Hungry with famished, starving, ravenous. 20. Angry with furious, irate, enraged. Here is the image of above 10 words. 21. Scared with frightened, terrified, petrified. 22. Talk with speak, converse, communicate. 23. Look with glance, gaze, peek. 24. See with observe, notice, witness. 25. Think with consider, reflect, contemplate. 26. Like with enjoy, admire, appreciate. 27. Love with adore, cherish, treasure. 28. Hate with detest, loathe, despise. 29. Want with desire, wish for, crave. 30. Need with require, demand, necessitate. Here is the image of above 10 words. 31. Make with create, build, construct. 32. Do with perform, execute, accomplish. 33. Get with obtain, acquire, gain. 34. Give with provide, offer, present. 35. Take with grab, seize, capture. 36. Keep with maintain, preserve, retain. 37. Break with shatter, smash, fracture. 38. Fix with repair, mend, restore. 39. Use with utilize, employ, apply. 40. Work with labor, operate, function. Here is the image of the above 10 words. 41. Move with shift, transfer, relocate. 42. Put with place, position, set. 43. Find with discover, detect, uncover. 44. Lose with misplace, drop, forfeit. 45. Win with triumph, prevail, succeed. 46. Fail with flop, collapse, misfire. 47. Laugh with giggle, chuckle, roar. 48. Cry with weep, sob, wail. 49. Live with reside, dwell, inhabit. 50. Die with pass away, perish, expire. At last here is the image of the above 10 words. How was it? So next time you speak or write, replace the simple words with these powerful alternatives. This will instantly make your English sound richer and more confident. If you found this useful, please comment me, and if want any video related to English, just tell me, I will make it. Thank you. See you in the next one.